Axiata Group Berhad is a Malaysian telecommunications group was established on June 12, 1992, formerly known as Trademark International BHD. On April 2, 2009, TMI launched the new name Axiata and a new logo. Axiata has controlling interests in mobile operators in Malaysia, Nepal, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Cambodia, with significant strategic stakes in India and Singapore and stakes in non-mobile telecommunication operations in Thailand and Pakistan. Axiata's primary business is in investment holding and the provision of telecommunication and consultancy services on an international scale. Their main focus being emerging markets in South Asia and ASEAN. Axiata's vision is new generation digital champion by 2022, evolved from a pure-play telco to a triple-core business, and their value is uncompromising integrity and exceptional performance. Their new tagline, Advancing Asia, was also launched. Regarding the company's internal environment, it is difficult to promote the digital transformation strategy due to the company's lack of new technical personnel. Secondly, the company did not respond to IR 4.0 and needed to improve its own operation mode to improve customer service. COVID-19 broke out in early 2020, which made the financial market face a crisis. The country where the virus broke out was closed, the commodities were unsaleable, and the exchange reaction between the ringgit and the US dollar was weakened. In addition, the competition between traditional telecommunications companies and non-traditional telecommunications companies is also quietly proceeding. However, each country uses 100% of online services, so competition in the industry has been happening without borders.
There are 5 generic competitive strategies encompassing low-cost provider strategy, broad differentiation strategy, focused low-cost strategy, focused differentiation strategy, and best cost provider strategy. Axiata has implemented a few of them, which are low-cost provider strategy, focused low-cost strategy and focused differentiation strategy. Firstly, Axiata executes low-cost provider strategies. Axiata is committed on lowest cost producer relative to customer promise, which they are providing the lowest cost for their services to satisfy the needs of the users. They are achieving a lower cost edge by improving the efficiency of its employees' productivity and scaling up the process through digitalization and better use of analytics and artificial intelligence (AI). Next, Axiata also develops focused strategies that consist of a focused low-cost strategy and a focused differentiation strategy. For a focused low-cost strategy, Axiata gain competitive advantage by lower its overall costs than its rivals in a specific target market niche. Axiata creates value by driving productivity and business efficiency improvement through the application of IR4 advanced technologies in the digital telco sector. While for focused differentiation strategy, Axiata gains competitive advantage through providing differentiated products or services from competitors that appeal to the preferences of a relatively narrow group of buyers. Recently, the company no longer targets the traditional telco consumer segment, but instead leverage technologies to target enterprise and aid businesses in their transformations.
Hi guys, now we are going to discuss how Axiata strengthens its competitive positioning. In order to strengthen its competitive positioning, Axiata is implementing the triple core business strategy. It includes digital telco, digital business, and infrastructure. In the digital telco strategy, Axiata is expanding its market by not only providing mobile service, but also other services such as smart home service, fixed wireless broadband service, digital and TV entertainment. This gives Axiata a more diversified portfolio. While in digital business, it includes data-driven digital advertising and digital financial services, which help Axiata in establish strong equity. For infrastructure strategy, Axiata established a specialized end-to-end solution infrastructure to provide better and reliable service. This ensures their service can satisfy the customers.
On this part, we will explain on how Axiata compete in international market. One of the effective strategies is by creating a wholly owned subsidiary. On 1 February 2016, Axiata happy to declare that Celcom Mobile has becoming their wholly owned subsidiary. Axiata has 100% ownership of shareholding in Celcom, which means Axiata has full power to control all operation of Celcom. Axiata also have several subsidiaries in Asia. As example, XL Axiata in Indonesia, Dialog in Sri Lanka, Robi in Bangladesh, Smart in Cambodia, and Ncell in Nepal.
As one of the leading companies in telecommunication industry, Axiata should modify its products and services to satisfy consumers' demand. Because of the inability, Axiata is hard to reach for the latest technology. First is unstable signal quality. Because of the poor connectivity infrastructure, Axiata network coverage and signal quality are disrupted irregularly. Second is low network coverage. Due to the inability to reach for the latest technology, Axiata's network coverage is always maintained low and not able to provide high-quality products services to its customers. Third is customer dissatisfaction. Customers always experience interruption on their phone, which means customers not allowed to use their phone call and mobile data currently. Fourth is less competitive in international market. Reliance Jio, the largest network provider in India, has double fiber optic network coverage than Axiata's in India. Therefore, Jio may provide more features that will convenient its users.
The solutions to the problem includes follow the telecommunication trend, develop employees' talent, and merging with other companies. The most popular topic in telecommunication industry nowadays is 5G network. The network provides greater speed to users compared to 4G networks. Some of the benefits of this network are users can enjoy high-resolution videos, more detailed virtual realities, and massive connection to multi-devices. Hence, it is advisable that Axiata should implement the 5G network with whole country coverage. Next, developing employees' talent. Axiata should update its employees' knowledge and skills so that they can solve hardware and software problems. Investment in effective programs will also increase employees' competencies. Additionally, employing experts in telecommunication engineering will also help the company's R&D. Axiata can also merge with other companies in the telecommunication industry. Forming an alliance with companies based outside of Asia will give Axiata opportunity to bring in a greater innovation into telecommunication industry in Malaysia and other Asian countries.